I need an autopsy of you and me. If you cut all up, is you gonna bleed? Open up, look inside. What caused the death of you and I? Oh, 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 I feel the fire line coming soon. Save me your seat in your daydream, baby. I'm 6 feet deep and I still can't sleep, no. Back when our love was alive, who went and turned out the light? Save me your seat in your autopsy. Crushed my heart, hope to die. Broke my soul, put it on ice. Darkest days, darker nights. Barely there, but we're still alive. Oh, 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 I can feel the flag coming soon. Oh no, no. Save me your seat in your daydream, baby. I'm 6 feet deep and I still can't sleep, no. Back when our love was alive, who went and turned out the light? Save me your seat in the autopsy. The coroner's in traffic. When he's here, I'll ask him what really killed our love. I want an open casket. You tell me who takes the blame when we both